Let's start our session. So we'll be starting right from basics about Excel. What are the available right from scratch. Now let's see the overview of the Excel interface. The Excel interface is made up of several key sections like ribbons, formula bar, workbook, worksheets, status bar, quick access tool bar. I will just open. So before that, how we will be open the Excel is just search like this Excel from the computer. Okay, I'm teaching where from very ground level because first we have to understand from the basics. Even though we know in the real time working with Excel also, but to be in a proper we'll follow the proper process. Okay, now let's open the Excel. Just ignore it. Now first I'm opening the blank Excel. Open the blank Excel. So in this slide, we'll see the Excel interface is made up of several key sections like ribbon, formula bar, workbook, worksheets, status bar, quick access toolbar. Now we'll identify what uh, which is which is the exact one. So this is the ribbon bar. This is the ribbon bar. Okay. And this is the formula bar. This is the formula bar. And this is the workbook workbook and this is the worksheet. Just I'm identifying the position in the in the in the next in, I mean in the coming in the, just I'm explaining the position. So just give me a few minutes. I will explain in detail. So this is the status part, and this is the okay. Now we have given. Now let's discuss. Now let's discuss about the ribbon. This one. Now we'll be discussing about the ribbon only. So let me identify the ribbon. So the ribbon contains what we'll see. The ribbon occupies significant screen place, screen space at the top of the Excel. Collapsing it allows more visible worksheet area. This is useful when working with large data sets. Now locate any ribbon tab such as Home or Insert. Double-click on tab name. The ribbon will collapse temporarily. Double-click again to expand it. So these, whatever the home, insert, page layout, these all are tabs. These contains ribbons, different ribbons. Each tab will have different ribbons. Okay, so now, so each, so this ribbon, these are the ribbons. This is very important while working in real time. So now if we go to previous slide, in order to hide the ribbon, so what are the steps we will see? By the ribbon occupies significant screen space at the top of the Excel. Collapsing it allows more visible worksheet area. This is useful when working with large data sets. Suppose we want to hide this ribbons. We want more workbook area. So for that, what we'll do, we'll double click on this tab. The ribbon got disabled. If you want if you want to show again, just double click again. It will be visible. If you disable it, it will disable. So with this, you will find a lot of space in this area for working in real time. Again, we want this, we'll double click on it one more time. So, and coming to ribbons, there is a shortcut key also for ribbon, that is Control plus F1. If you press Control plus F1 here, select on this, and in this keyboard, select Control and F1, the ribbons will be disabled. Again, one time, again we have to press Control plus F1. Okay. So this is the shortcut key of hide and unhide of ribbons. Now next is customizing the Excel quick access toolbar. We don't want this. Understanding the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar provides one-click access to frequently used commands. It is usually located above the ribbon in Excel. Customizing it improves productivity and efficiency. Look above the ribbon at the top left corner of Excel. If not visible, right-click above the ribbon. Select Show Quick Access Toolbar from the menu. So we'll discuss about this first. So it is the Quick Access Toolbar provides one-click access to frequently used command. So that means this Quick Access Toolbar is right above the ribbon. Above the ribbon, just left side. Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Are you able to see it, right? So just select this. If you see here, all the toolbars are available, different types of toolbar. Just save, undo, redo are here, right here, left. We want some more means we have to enable it. Suppose we want open. So for that we'll select open and we'll click. If you see here, open is also checked. That means it came. We don't want open means again we'll uncheck this. So like that, there will be different. If you want more options, more ribbon, more commands means we have to select more commands. Here you can find different types of commands. Let's go to slide. We have located the quick access toolbar. We have seen the adding of commands also. More options also we have seen. Now next, remove the command. Remove command also we have seen. This one. Add and remove. That's it. So here benefits of customizing the quick access toolbar is reduces time spent navigating through the ribbon, improves workflow efficiency, keeps important tools easily accessible, enhances overall productivity. That means it improves efficiency, it improves productivity, and it is easy to access. Instead of searching here and all, we can give the command here itself, or the toolbar command tools. We can give it here only. We can add any number of things also. You want print also means we can add like this. We don't want means we can remove this. It's all, that's why it is called customize quick access toolbar. So we can customize it. Now next we'll go to next. Next, workbook overview. What is the workbook here? Here, the workbook. This is the workbook. This entire thing is workbook. Okay. Let me open this PPT. An Excel workbook is primary file format used in Excel. It stores data, formulas, and calculations. Each workbook can contain one or more worksheets. So that means it stores data. It is the main important thing in the entire Excel because it consists of data, formulas, and calculations. And each workbook contains one or more sheets. So here one sheet is there. One more sheet means, well, if you see in the next sheet, workbook structure. Worksheets are individual tabs such as sheet 1. Each worksheet is used to input and manage data. The workbook acts as a container for all worksheets. So workbook contains worksheets. In each and every sheets, we can input the data, either either numbers, text, like that. With these two combinations only, the entire Excel is going to work. So in order to start the working with workbooks, you can start with the blank workbook. You can create a new workbook file. All worksheets are saved together within the workbook. So we can create new workbook. So this is entire thing is blank, right? If you want to close this, I'll close this. Again, if you want to open this, file, open, or new blank. We'll take blank. This is what there's in PPT. It is there. Now next, status bar overview. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window. So what it provides information about Excel's current state. It indicates whether Excel is ready or processing data. It displays status indicators such as ready, provides zoom level control, offers view layout options, includes macros recording indicators. I think this macros recording is not there. It is there in Microsoft 360. Okay, now we'll see about status bar. If you see here down bottom, this is the status bar, just right below the workbook. So it contains ready, contains zoom in, zoom out, different views. Now here ready. This isn't ready state for giving input. This is the different types of views. Normal, page layout, and page break preview. Like this, different views will be there. So will be I'm be putting into this normal one. So this is zoom in, zoom out. Okay, it should be 100% for more visibility. If you want, we can zoom also. Plus, minus. This is about the status bar. Now understand the structure of an Excel workbook. Worry of workbook structure. The structure consists of the workbook and its worksheets. The workbook is the primary file format in Excel. Worksheets exist inside the workbook. Now workbook explain. This is already we explained in the previous one. Now what a workbook is the entire Excel document. Creating a new file creates a new workbook. It holds data, calculation charts, and worksheets. It functions as a unified entity. So I don't want all this. Let me delete it. And one more thing is Excel allows substantial space within a workbook. You can manage large amounts of data. Hundreds of worksheets can exist in a single workbook. That means we can add any number of sheets. There is no limit. And we can add any number of data inside the worksheet. But there is always a limitation. No? So if based on the performance, system performance, we have to see how many sheets are we can able to add. I don't want these things. I'm just deleting. Just one sheet is fine as of now. Now next is saving the Excel document. Click the File tab in the upper left corner. Select Save As. Choose a location on your computer or cloud service. So ours is a computer. If it is MS Microsoft 365, it will ask for uh, cloud. I mean the cloud access also there, but we are discussing only about the computer now. So let me remove this one. This is not required. Or let me keep no worries. Enter a file name. Select Excel workbook with extension .xlsx as a file format and then click on save. Now Control plus S is the shortcut key to save. So if you go into the Excel, if you click on File, File, if you for the first time if you click on Save, it will point it to Save As because we have to save in a particular with the file name where we have to save browse. We want it in the documents or we want it in either location. So as of now, I'm placing in the documents only. So the book two is the file name, and we'll talk about the extension. What is the extension? Most it will be Excel workbook. Just a second. Browse book two. It will be saved with the .xlsx. We'll save this, and if you want to see in the documents, book two. What is the extension for this? How to see the extension? Go to properties, and here you'll find previously there used to be .xlsx. Customize general. One second. Show more properties. Properties. See here. Yeah. Show more properties it is. Microsoft Excel worksheet .xlsx with the text. This is the extension of this Excel file. Earlier it used to be XLX, but now it is XLSX. So this is how we'll be saving, and the shortcut for this is shortcut key to save the Excel is Control plus S. So before saving, we have to specify the location and file name. Opening an existing Excel document. Click the open option on the left side. This allows you to browse available files. Choose your document. Select from the list of recently opened files, or click Browse to navigate to specific location. Locate the file in Documents, Desktop, or another folder. So if you open the Excel, if you click on File, and if you select Open, if you want to open the existing Excel files. So I want to open the existing Excel files by clicking on Open. So it is asking recent. This is all the recently used Excel files. We want to only particular file means then we have to go to browse. We can go to browse on this PC, anything. Browse, I'm comfortable with browse. This PC means it is available in this PC. Drive means it will be available in the drive. Now I'm selecting browse, manual LC. So this is what I have saved recently. Book 2 is the recent one. Now select this and click on open. So this is how we can open the existing Excel file. Next, entering text to create Excel spreadsheet titles. Select the cell for the title. Click the cell where you want to place the title. Typically use the first row such as cell A1. Ensure the correct cell is active before typing. Step 2. Type the title. Begin typing directly into the selected cell. Example type monthly budget in cell A1. So that means what they're telling is in the first row we have to identify which cell we want to use. In this cell, this is the A1. A1 is the first one. Here we have to type monthly budget. This is the monthly budget. Okay, we have given the name also. After giving the name, we have to enter, we have to select enter. Again, I will show monthly budget. Click on enter. It will come to the new line or new row. Save it. Always save each and every time once you give any input value. Next, working with numeric data in Excel. So now we have seen the text. We have seen the text because monthly budget is a text only. But now we'll talk about the numeric data. So there are only two types of data in Excel. One is text file and one is numeric value. Click the cell where you want to enter the number. So identify the cell like how you have identified the text as A1. So this time we'll identify A2. Type the numeric value directly into the cell. Examples include 100. 100 means normal numeric value. 245.75 means decimal value. Please enter and confirm the entry. Okay. So now here we'll enter the value 100 and click on enter. If you observe one thing, text is, well, let me align it properly. Text is aligned from the left, whereas the numeric value is aligned from the right to left. This is from left to right, this is right to left. Because in order to show the validation properly, that means to identify the differentiate between the text and number. So the Excel has designed in such a way. Next, entering date values in Excel. Now we have to select the cell as usual. Type the date in recognized formats, common formats. So there are like some specific formats are there, like DD, YYY, and DD, YYY. Okay, like that. So we'll see like how to do format. Now look, okay. So let me go to the Excel. Let me enter some data. Monthly budget, bills. First one is the rent. Second one is food, groceries. Now internet. For example, I'm taking these things and here I will give the month January, January, February, March. So we'll give bills. Just deleting this. Okay. Or let me enter the value. Hmm. In order to differentiate, I have given this one more row between this monthly budget and bills. So rent suppose will give 1,000. Food will give 500. Groceries will give 1,000, 800 or 800. Internet will give 200, for suppose. Now we're discussing this is now you want you as I explained the differentiate. So text is in left from left to right, whereas numbers are from right to left. Even if you give decimal values also, it will also show the same thing from right to left. Now the date format will see. Suppose we want Jan 2026. Enter. Have you noticed one thing? Where is 2020? Only Jan 26 is hyphen 26 is visible. Let's try for February 201 2026. Click on enter. So for this also the same. We'll give this for this March. Enter. So where is 20? So you don't want this type of format. We want in DDMMYYY format means. For that, what we have to do? Let me go into the slide. See here, Excel. If you give the date, if you give the date format with the year or month or date, Excel automatically converts valid entries into date format. Converts into entries into date format. Next, we have to change the format of the date. Select the cell containing the date. Go to Home tab. Use the number format drop down to choose a preferred date format. Now we have to select the number format, which is in the Home tab. Home. Let's go to Home. Number format tab. Where is this number format tab? This is the number format. See this. Yeah. Select this. If we go more number formats, select this. We want I want in DD slash MM slash YYY or DD MM YYYY, or we can give custom also. Select custom. I want MM slash no DD slash MM slash YYYY and click on OK. See here, first 2026. I want to change two at a time. Select this two. Go to number format. More number formats. Now we have to select where is yes, this one is this is the one we have entered, right? Select this and click on OK. So these two fields also change to the date format. If I want only month and year means select this, more number formats, month and year. What is the month? Custom will go. We want 3 letters or 4 letters like that also we can. I want, let me give 4 letter I want. Select on. Okay. See here. Jan 2026. Previously it came Jan 26 only, but now Jan hyphen 2026. Feb hyphen 2026. Like that March hyphen 2026. This is how we can change the date format. Now work with cell references. Understanding cell references. A cell reference identifies a specific cell in a worksheet. It combines a column letter and a row number. Examples include A1, B2, C3. Cell references are essential for formulas. Use the cell address directly inside the formula. Okay, they are talking about the formula like A1 plus B1. So the importance of cell references. They enable dynamic calculations. They link data across worksheets. Updating a reference cell updates formula results automatically. So if you change a reference cell also, the reference cell updates the formula by based on the formula, it automatically the cell value also changes. So for example, if you see here, this is the this is B4 and this is B. This is column. Column is B and 4 is the row. So together we call B4. Combined rows and column. Excel is all about combination of rows and columns only. So in the coming classes, we'll see the different formulas, charts, and all these things. That's all for today's session. See you in the upcoming class.